I will show you how to get the best environmental impact of your life with just a few simple changes. Ready? Imagine a world where nothing goes to waste. That's the magic of a circular economy. Instead of tossing things away, we repair, refurbish, or recycle them into something new. It's like giving your old stuff a second life and saving the planet while you're at it. Now, let's talk energy efficiency. Think about replacing old power-hungry machines with sleek new energy-efficient ones. Simple swaps like LED lights or better insulation can save energy and cut down greenhouse gases. Easy, right? Next up, supply chain optimization. Picture a world where every shipment is planned to minimize waste and emissions. Sustainable packaging, eco-friendly suppliers, it all adds up to a smaller carbon footprint. And don't forget, everyday actions matter. Reducing plastic use, cutting food waste, or using less water can make a huge difference. Small steps, big impact. So, ready to save the planet. Let's make these simple changes and create a greener future together.